Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some numerical problems regarding Coulomb's law. In this, the first numerical problem is statement is how many electrons must be removed from a conductor so that it acquires a charge of 3.5 nanocoulomb. How many electrons? This means we have to find n. Charge is 3.5 nanocoulomb. Nano is 3.5 multiply 10 the power minus 9 coulomb. According to quantization of charge, Q is equal to Ne. Value of Q is 3.5 into 10 the power minus 9. E is the elementary charge, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 the power minus 19. Then divide this by 1.6 10 the power minus 19. This is 35 by 16 into 10 the power 10, which is 2.1875 into 10 the power 10. This means the total number of electrons which forming a charge of 3.5 nanocoulomb is 2.1875 into 10 the power 10. Number of electron has no unit. The second problem is two equal charges placed in air separated by a distance of 3 meter repel each other with a force of 0.1 gf. Gf is gram force. Calculate the magnitude of the charges. In this problem, we have two equal charges, that is Q1, Q2 equal to Q. Then the distance between the two charges is 3 meter and force between them is 0.1 gf. First of all, convert gram force into kilogram force, kgf. Then convert kgf into Newton, multiply by 9.8. Then according to Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R the square. In this, put the value of F, which is this, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, which is a constant, Q1 Q2 Q square, R is 3 whole square. In this 1 by 10, remove decimal, 98 by 10, 9 into 10 the power 9, Q square by 9. This 9 cancels. Then value of Q square is 98 into 10 the power minus 5 divided by 10 the power 9, which is 98 into 10 the power minus 14. Take square root of these values, that is 98 into 10 the power minus 14, which is 9.9 into 10 the power minus 7 coulomb. That is value of Q1 Q2 is 9.8 into 10 the power minus 7 coulomb. In third problem, calculate the Coulomb's force between two alpha particles separated by a distance of 3.2 into 10 the power minus 15. In this, we have to find force between two alpha particles. Alpha particle is 2He4, in which the charge is double of an electron, that is 2 into 1.6 10 the power minus 19 coulomb. Distance between them is 3.2 into 10 the power minus 15 meter. Then according to Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. In this, value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 the power 9, and this is 3.2 into 10 the power minus 9. Q2 has same value divided by R square. R square is 10 the power minus 15 whole square. In this 9 multiply 3.2 multiply 3.2. Then this power is 38. 38 minus 9 is 29. In denominator 3.2, 3.2, 10 the power minus 13. This is 9 into 10, which is 90 Newton. That is force between two alpha particles separated by a distance of 3.2 into 10 the power minus 15 meter is 90 Newton. In problem 4, the question is 2-point charges Q1, Q2 are 3 meter apart and their combined charges. Combined charge means sum of the two charges, which is 20 microcoulomb. Micro is 20 into 10 the power minus 6 coulomb, and force between them is 0.075 Newton, which is 75 into 10 the power minus 3 Newton. And distance, what are the two charges, and distance between the two charges is 3 meter. We are required to find Q1 and Q2. In this, using Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 over R square. This is equation number 1. Force is 10 the power minus 3 and value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 as it is 3 whole square. 3 whole square, then this question becomes 75 into 10 the power minus 3 equal to 9 into 10 the power 9 Q1 Q2 3 whole square is 9. Then value of Q1 Q2 is 75 into 10 the power minus 12. To solve these two equations, to find the value of Q1 Q2, we use the identity A plus B whole square means A minus B whole square equal to 4AB. Value of Q1 plus Q2 is 20 into 10 the power minus 6 whole square. This is as it is. Q1 Q2 is 4 into 75 10 the power minus 12. This becomes 400 into 10 the power minus 12 means Q1 minus Q2 whole square. This is 300 into 10 the power minus 12. This becomes 100 into 10 the power minus 12 equal to Q1 minus Q2 whole square. Take square root, then Q1 minus Q2 is 10 into 10 the power minus 6. This is equation number 2. For finding the value of Q1 Q2, add equation number 1 and 2. The result becomes, that is Q1 plus Q2 is 20 into 10 the power minus 6 and Q1 minus Q2 is 10 into 10 the power minus 6. Cancel out. Twice of Q1 is 30 into 10 the power minus 6. Q1 is 15 into 10 the power minus 6 coulomb. Put the value of Q1 in equation 1, that is 15 into 10 the power minus 6 plus Q2 equal to 20 into 10 the power minus 6. Then Q2 becomes 5 into 10 the power minus 6 coulomb. That is Q1 is 15 microcoulomb, Q2 is 5 microcoulomb. This is the value of charges Q1 and Q2. The fifth numerical problem is two charged particles having charges 5 microcoulomb each are joined by an insulating string of length 1 meter and the system is placed on a smooth horizontal table. Find the tension in the string. In this question we have Q1, Q2, both charges are 5 microcoulomb. Micro is 10 the power minus 6 and length is distance, L is equal to R, which is 1 meter. We are required to find tension. Tension is equal to force, which is to be found. Then according to Coulomb's law, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R the whole square. Then value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon, it is 9 into 10 the power 9. Q1 is 5 into 10 the power minus 6. 5 into 10 the power minus 6. 1 whole square. 9, 45, 45 multiply 5, 225 and the power becomes minus 3. This is 0.225 Newton. This is the tension in the string. In question number 6, solution is 2 electrons have been removed from each atom. That is 2 electrons removed from each atom. That is charge on each atom is double of electron, which is 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Find the distance between two such atoms. we ठीक है required to find R repel each other with a force of 8.8 into 10 the power minus 9 coulomb. According to Coulomb's law, 1 F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Then value of F is 8.8 10 the power minus 9. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught becomes 9 10 the power 9. Q1 minus 19, Q2 is minus 19 divided by R square. Then R square is 9 into 3.2 into 3.2 into 38 minus 29 divided by 8.8 into 10 the power minus 9. This becomes 3.2 over 8.8 10 the power minus 20. Take square root of this 9 into 3.2 into 3.2 divided by 8.8. 20 square root is 10. Solve this. We have 3.24 into 10 the power minus 10 meter. This is the distance between two such atoms when force between them is 8.8 into 10 the power minus 9 coulomb. Solve all these numericals. These are the important numericals according to CBSE exam.